Hello learners, welcome to this introduction to Apache Spark. In this video, we will explore what Spark is, why it is so powerful for big data processing, and how can you get started using it. So let's dive in. Apache Spark is an open source distributed computing system designed for big data processing. It was created at UC Berkeley's AMP lab in 2009 and later became a top-level project under the Apache Software Foundation. Spark is widely known for its speed, ease of use, and ability to handle massive datasets efficiently. Now, let's see why use Apache Spark. So, why should we consider using Apache Spark? First, it's incredibly fast, often running up to 100 times faster than Hadoop due to its in-memory processing. Second, it scales to handle petabytes of data across distributed clusters. Third, it's easy to use, supporting multiple programming languages like Python, Scala, Java, and R. Spark is also versatile. It can handle both batch processing, real-time streaming, machine learning, and even graph-based computations. Finally, it integrates with popular tools like Hadoop, AWS, and Kubernetes. Now let's see Apache Spark architecture. So let's take a look at how Spark is structured. So our Spark applications consist of a driver program which runs the main Spark code and coordinate tasks. It interacts with a cluster manager like Yarn, Mesos, or Kubernetes to allocate resources. Executors run tasks in parallel across multiple nodes. And at the core of Spark, we have the RDD, Resilient Distributed Dataset, which ensures fault tolerance and parallel computations. Now let's see about Spark ecosystem. So, Spark is not just a processing engine. It comes with a powerful ecosystem. Spark core handles distributed tasks, scheduling, and memory management. Spark SQL allows us to query structured data, just like a database. Spark streaming processes real-time data, making it ideal for live analytics. MLab provides machine learning capabilities, and GraphX is used for graph-based computations like social network analysis. Let's get ahead and see what is the Spark versus Hadoop. So, many people ask, how does Spark compare to Hadoop? So, the key difference is speed. Spark uses in-memory processing, making it much faster than Hadoop's disk-based MapReduce. Spark also supports multiple languages, whereas Hadoop's MapReduce is primarily Java-based. Spark can handle both batch and real-time processing, while Hadoop is mainly for batch jobs. Plus, Spark includes built-in machine learning libraries, whereas Hadoop does not. Now, move ahead and see how Spark works. So, let's walk through a typical Spark workflow. First, we create a Spark session which acts as an early point for our Spark application. Then we load data from sources like HDFS, AWS S3 or a databases. Next, we transform the data using a Spark's dataframe API or RDDs. We then run actions to compute results and finally store or visualize the output. Now let's get ahead and see Apache Spark use cases. So, where is Apache Spark used? One of the biggest applications is big data analytics, where Spark helps companies process vast amounts of data efficiently. It's also widely used in machines where massive data sets are trained on Spark's MLib. Companies build ETL pipelines using Spark to clean and transform data. Spark streaming powers real-time analytics for IoT devices and financial transactions. And finally, recommendation systems like those at Netflix and Spotify use Spark to suggest content to users. Now let's see companies which are using Apache Spark these days. So many top companies rely on Apache Spark for their big data needs. Like Netflix uses it for content recommendation. Uber applies Spark for real-time pricing and analytics. Same way, we have Twitter also. Twitter process live tweets to track trends. eBay leverage Spark for fraud detection, and Amazon uses Spark for customer personalization and recommendation engines. So now let's conclude the Apache Spark. So to sum it up, Apache Spark is an incredibly powerful tool for big data processing. It's fast, scalable, and supports multiple workloads, including real-time analytics and machine learning. If you are working with large data set or looking to optimize your data pipelines, Spark is a fantastic choice. This was the theoretical part of our Spark playlist. In the next video, we will dive into hands-on practical sessions with Apache Spark. So stay tuned, turn on your notifications, and don't miss the next video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.